This video will teach you about questions using the present continuous. Pausing is okay. Lesson: question forms of present continuous. We use present continuous questions to ask about things that we are doing right now, or long actions that we are in the middle of. If you want to know more about the present continuous for statements, you can have a look at this video. In a question, we use this structure: be verb plus subject plus verb plus ing. These are called yes/no questions. When we answer a yes/no question, we use yes or no, followed by the answer. Am I speaking English? Yes. You are? Is my cat being nice? No, he isn't. Is it raining? No, it stopped raining. Are you liking this video? No, it's very boring. Are we going somewhere right now? Yes, we're going to the movie theater. Lesson: question words with present continuous. We can use question words or WH words to make questions that ask for information. Question words usually begin with WH, but how is also used. These question words are usually used with the present continuous. You can find out more here. What? Things. Who? People. Where? Place. Why? Reason. How plus be? Method or condition. Question words go at the beginning of a question. Question word plus be verb plus subject plus verb plus ing. Why am I speaking English? Because you're giving an example. How is my cat being naughty? He is scratching your sofa. Who is watching this video? You are watching this video. Where are my parents going? They are going to South Korea. How are you doing today? Not well. I have to be in this silly video. Exercise 1. Put these words in the correct order to make sentences. How are your grandparents doing? Where is my sister sleeping? Are they watching a movie right now? What is he doing these days? Am I doing well on YouTube? Exercise 2. Choose the correct verb to finish the question. Are you cooking right now? Where am I going? Is my aunt busy at the moment? When are your parents coming? Exercise 3. Answer these questions with your own answers. How are you doing? Where are you sitting right now? What's the most interesting thing that you are doing these days? Is your best friend doing something interesting right now? Exercise 4. Make your own questions and ask your partner or post your question in the comment section so that others can answer it. Exercise 5. Tell me, what do you want to be doing right now? Let me know in the comment section below. What kind of videos are you wanting more of? Let me know. Until then, bye bye.